Most people plant garlic the same way every year. Just pop a clove in the ground and hope for the best. But what if I told you there's a simple tweak that can transform your garlic harvest from average to absolutely giant? There's one little trick that even experienced gardeners often overlook, and it makes all the difference between small, lackluster bulbs and those big, beautiful heads of garlic you see at the farmer's market. When I started using this method, my garlic not only grew bigger and faster, but I also noticed far fewer pests and diseases. It's a game changer, and I'm excited to walk you through it step by step. Here's the secret. Garlic is a heavy feeder, which means it needs lots of nutrients to thrive. It also hates being stuck in compacted or soggy soil, which can stunt its growth and invite rot. If you simply stick a clove in the ground and walk away, chances are you'll end up with tiny bulbs or weak, spindly plants. But there's a better way. Instead of planting directly into plain soil, take a moment to line each planting hole with a generous scoop of compost and a sprinkle of wood ash or crushed eggshells. This small step makes a huge difference. The compost provides a quick boost of nutrients right where the garlic needs it, while the wood ash or eggshells add essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These minerals help garlic develop strong roots and healthy bulbs. Here's my exact process for planting garlic that grows big and robust every time. First, select the healthiest garlic bulbs you can find and break them apart into individual cloves. Choose the biggest cloves for planting, as these will produce the largest bulbs. Next, dig a hole about 2 inches deep, deep enough to protect the clove from frost, but not so deep that it struggles to sprout. Add a generous handful of compost to the bottom of the hole. This will feed your garlic as it starts to grow, giving it a strong foundation. Sprinkle a pinch of wood ash or some crushed eggshells on top of the compost. These natural amendments provide calcium and potassium, which are crucial for healthy garlic development. Place the garlic clove in the hole, pointy side up. This ensures the shoot grows straight up and the roots grow down. Cover the clove with soil, then mulch the area with straw, leaves, or even grass clippings. Mulch helps retain moisture, keeps weeds down, and protects your garlic from harsh winter weather. This little boost at planting time gives your garlic a head start, helping it establish strong roots before winter sets in. When spring arrives, you'll see the difference. By spring, your garlic will be noticeably bigger and healthier than ever before. The plants will be lush, green, and ready to produce those giant bulbs you've been dreaming of. You'll notice stronger stalks, more vigorous growth, and when it's time to harvest, you'll pull up big, juicy bulbs that are bursting with flavor. Want to take it even further? Try planting garlic alongside lettuce or strawberries. These companion plants not only make efficient use of space, but they also benefit from garlic's natural pest-repelling properties. Garlic releases compounds into the soil and air that deter many common garden pests, so your lettuce and strawberries will stay healthier too. So before you plant your garlic this season, give this method a try. It only takes a few extra minutes, but the results are absolutely worth it. A little compost and a sprinkle of minerals can make all the difference between a disappointing harvest and a bumper crop of giant garlic. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your own garlic growing secrets in the comments below. Happy planting, and here's to your best garlic harvest ever.